Fixxfi is a disruptive fintech, solving everyday real-world problems and giving people access to a credit fund that they can use when they need it. Hello, this is Luke, and welcome back to Be Successful, your favorite development channel, the place where you always leave smarter than you came. With the emergence of Web 3.0, the perception of the internet that we've all been used to until not so long ago has been shifting gradually. It became clear that businesses have been exploiting private consumer data with minimal protection surrounding that data, which generated a storm of customer privacy issues, hence affecting users' trust in day-to-day platforms. This, in turn, encouraged more and more people to get excited about a more secure and democratized internet. In fact, early adopters, mostly blockchain geeks, have already started to migrate towards Web 3.0 platforms. While the internet helped entrepreneurs better assess their possibilities, data mining and exploitation did not necessarily benefit brand perception. A lack of confidence has been growing with the scale of some recent data breaches. Fortunately, blockchain will change that. Web 3.0, commonly referred to as Web 3, is a notion for a new version of the World Wide Web based on blockchain technology and includes principles such as decentralization and token-based economies. The terms Web 1.0 and Web 2.0 relate to different periods in the history of the World Wide Web, as it progressed via different technologies and forms, starting from 1991. Web 2.0 is thought to have started around 2004, and is still going strong today. Web 3.0 ideas vary, but they all revolve around the concept of decentralization and frequently include blockchain technology, like cryptocurrencies and non-fungible tokens. The main characteristics of Web 3.0 include decentralization, permissionless technology, and increased security. Web 3.0 could also potentially balance creator economics and lower barrier to entry. Data is stored in central repositories in Web 2.0, which is problematic for a variety of reasons. It gave birth to tech conglomerates, otherwise known as social networks, and concentrated market power in the hands of a small number of people. Just think about Instagram, Facebook, and other internet services. You may think those are free and open to use. In truth, tech giants, like the previously mentioned ones, have complete influence over how you and I utilize these services. Why is Web 3.0 important for business? End users will have total data ownership with Web 3.0 powered by blockchain. The data that is sent across the network will be completely encrypted. Users will be able to choose whatever information they wish to share with businesses and advertising agencies, and they will be able to profit from it. Businesses of all shapes, sizes, and sectors can start putting this technology to work today to achieve any of the applications in this article and beyond. With the occasion of our partnership, we will hear the story of a nice project that has become very popular in the Elrond ecosystem real quick. Everything started with a successful family business. Fabio, the founder of the project, returned to his hometown to take over the management of his family's successful auto repair business in the center of Torino. Seeing that the customers increasingly had difficulty in paying for their repairs, he immediately understood the need to find a solution that would support both his business and the needs of his customers. Soon after that, the company was able to offer its customers a split payment solution. In 2019, he reached an agreement with Deutsche Bank to become the first independent auto repair business in Italy to offer its customers such a product. Leo X's solution was increasing dramatically, but the business couldn't scale at the same pace due to the reliance on manual procedures and the technological limitations of his banking partners. Later that year, he met Andrew, a serial tech entrepreneur. Andrew is an experienced business developer across multiple sectors. During his career, his experience covers media, technology, telecoms, and product sales. Together, they quickly started to develop the solution foundations by rebranding what is today Fixxfi, and started developing the framework for the digital solution. They found financial partners that could offer a full turnkey from compliance, from technical to lending. Fixxfi is a disruptive fintech, solving everyday real-world problems and giving people access to a credit fund that they can use when they need it. Both Andrew and Fabio say Fixxfi aims to merge the two worlds of corporate and blockchain and bring in additional crypto features into the Fixxfi platform. So what is Fixxfi? Fixxfi gives customers an immediate solution to pay for their repairs at any Fixxfi repair partner through an app-based solution with a one-time application and replenishing line of credit that customers can access at the point of repair. By doing that, Fixxfi gives customers an immediate solution to pay when that unexpected repair bill arrives. Using Banking as a Service, BaaS, Fixxfi leverages being at the interface between repair business and customer, exploiting the digital inequalities of conventional banks and giving customers access to their approved line of credit when they need it most, through their Fixxfi digital wallet. When a consumer receives an unexpected repair bill, it frequently has a negative influence on their emotions, lifestyles, and cash flow. It can also punish their savings and cause financial instability. It is challenging for the repair industry to completely meet the expectations of the consumer. Some customers are turned away by the exorbitant expenses of quality repair work, forced to settle for a partial fix, or forced to haggle over the price. This has the effect of making business expansion more difficult and increasing the possibility of consumer loss. Fixxfi is an embedded financial platform with a B2B2C, business to consumer app. Through a one-time only digital application process, Fixxfi gives the customer access to their line of credit while protecting their privacy and security. Through the Fixxfi calculator, they select the amount of their fund they want to use and the time in months from 1 to 60 they want to spread the schedule over, so that the customer may customize the payment experience they desire. Give a like if the information about Fixxfi was useful to you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss the next videos full of valuable information. Until next time, take care of your money.